You are watching part 9 of the full series of Maven Build Tool interview questions.
These are the 5 questions we are going to discuss in this session. What is meant by transitive dependency in Maven? How can a Maven Build Profile be activated? What is meant by Dependency Exclusion? What is MOJO? What is the Maven settings.xml file? First question, what is meant by transitive dependency in Maven? In Maven, a transitive dependency refers to indirect dependencies automatically included during the build process. When a project has a direct dependency on a library, Maven resolves and adds that library's dependencies, creating a chain of transitive dependencies. While this simplifies dependency management, developers should be mindful of potential conflicts and version issues within the transitive dependency tree to maintain a coherent and stable project build. Understanding and managing transitive dependencies is crucial for robust Maven-based projects. Second question, how can a Maven Build Profile be activated? Maven Build Profiles can be activated based on various conditions using specific activation elements in the project object model (POM) file. The activation can be triggered by one or more of these mentioned here. 1. Activation by environment. Profiles can be activated based on the presence or absence of a specific environment variable, system property, or Java version. 2. Activation by OS. Profiles can be activated based on the operating system, OS, where the build is executed. 3. Activation by file presence. Profiles can be activated if a specified file or directory is present or absent. 4. Activation by property. Profiles can be activated based on the presence or value of a specific property in the POM or settings.xml file. Third question, what is meant by dependency exclusion? In Maven, dependency exclusion refers to the practice of excluding a specific transitive dependency from being included in a project, even if it is brought in by one of the project's direct dependencies. This exclusion is useful when there are conflicts or compatibility issues with a transitive dependency and the developer wants to prevent it from being part of the project's class path. Exclusions are typically specified in the project object model (POM) file, allowing developers to control which transitive dependencies are included and which are excluded from the build process. Next question, what is MOJO? MOJO stands for Maven Plain Old Java Object. In Apache Maven, a MOJO refers to a Java class that encapsulates the functionality of a specific goal within a Maven plugin. MOJOs are the building blocks of Maven plugins, defining the tasks or actions performed during the build process. Developers can configure and customize these MOJOs in the project object model (POM) file to influence the behavior of the associated plugin and tailor the build lifecycle to project requirements. Next question, what is the Maven settings.xml file? The settings.xml file in Maven is a configuration file that contains settings and preferences for Maven's behavior. It is typically located in the conf directory of the Maven installation or in the user's home directory /.m2/. The settings.xml file allows users to customize Maven's behavior, including repository configurations, plugin settings, and proxy information. Key configurations in the settings.xml file include repository locations, server credentials for accessing secured repositories, and various Maven plugin settings. Quiz time. Let's see if you get it correct. Please post your answer in the comments section. Hope you have learned something and feel confident to answer the questions we discussed so far. Here is the list of questions that will be discussed in the next session. If you have any specific questions related to this topic, please mention it in the comments section and we will answer it for you. Please check out our playlist for more questions and subscribe our channel for updates and notifications. Good luck for your upcoming interviews. We believe in turning interviews into milestones.